Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use your Kia Sorento remote start. First, locate the remote start button on your key fob. It often features a circular arrow symbol. Understanding its placement is key to quickly activating your vehicle. Next, we'll cover the essential steps to prepare your Sorento, ensuring a smooth and safe remote start experience every time. Finally, I'll guide you through the precise button presses needed to get your engine running from a distance. Before you attempt to remote start your Kia Sorento, a few quick checks are important for safety and functionality. Make sure all your vehicle's doors, including the hood and tailgate, are completely closed and latched. Your Sorento must also be in the park gear, as remote start will not engage otherwise. Finally, always ensure your vehicle is locked. This is a crucial security measure for remote activation. Activating your Kia Sorento's remote start is a simple two-step process. First, press the lock button on your key fob one time. This action prepares the vehicle for the remote start command. Then, within 4 seconds of pressing lock, press and hold the remote start button for about 2 seconds. You'll see the vehicle's parking lights flash, confirming that the engine has successfully started, allowing it to warm up or cool down. Your Kia Sorento's remote start is designed for convenience, typically running for 10 minutes to warm or cool the cabin. If you need more time, you can often extend the run by repeating the remote start sequence. Remember, once you enter the vehicle, simply press the brake pedal to fully engage the ignition. For more great tips and to upgrade your home, check the description below for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other fantastic deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.